Hello, we are Tech Titans from Savita Engineering College. Introducing Trade Sentinel. Problem statement. In today's digital trading world, small traders and retail investors face severe risk, from account hijacking to collusion and insider fraud. Traditional fraud systems rely on static rules and limited sampling, leaving critical blind spots in real time detection. Auditors too struggle without a tamper proof evidence for compliance. Solution. Trade Sentinel addresses these challenges by combining behavioral biometrics, detects unusual user behavior that traditional systems cannot detect. AI fraud detection engine identifies risky trades and suspicious accounts instantly. Immutable ledger stores all alerts securely for auditing and compliance. IBM Z Linux One integration ensures enterprise grade security, high scalability, and rapid AI processing. Key features: Z Dynamic Trust Seal delivers next level signature grade security inspired by IBM Z Crypto Express. It uses evolving trust keys that change with every user session and transaction. Our AI agents work like a virtual security operations center, detecting anomalies, verifying identity through behavioral biometrics, and executing autonomous containment within milliseconds. Trade Sentinel will integrate deeper with IBM Z, Watson X AI, and Cloud Parks, introducing tamper-proof AI services, digital signature vaults, and secure API bridges. Our stack integrates IBM Z Secure Storage, Kafka Streams, and Node.js for backend processing, and with React and Firebase powering the frontend. This is our dashboard. This page shows an AI-powered fraud detection dashboard that visualizes suspicious trading links between accounts. The left panel shows a network graph where each trader has a risk score and lines represent suspicious connections, whereas the right panel lists each flagged connection with the reason, like circular trades, price manipulation, or profit sharing. Behavioral biometrics. It detects suspicious user behavior that traditional login cannot detect. Immutable blockchain ledger. Every alert is recorded tamper-proof and judges or auditors can verify history without the risk of manipulation. It detects suspicious IPs, device fingerprints, multiple concurrent sessions. It automatically identifies risky trades or accounts and also generates a risk scores and severity alerts for early intervention. The dashboard flashes the affected account in red, and the notification shows behavioral anomaly detected, severity high. It highlights the immutable proof entry with timestamp, account, and severity. Export CSV or PDF showing the alert details. This report can be used for auditing or compliance. What you see is real-time fraud detection with AI analysis and ledger-proof workflow. This is the Linux One Jupyter notebook. First, I set up the environment with essential Python libraries like NumPy, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Then I built a graph machine learning model that represents users as network nodes. The dense red cluster you see here marks suspicious users, detected automatically using isolation forest on graph embeddings. Next, a mini transformer model learns a sequential trading behavior. Its hidden embeddings feed into a random forest, boosting interpretability. Together, they predict fraudulent patterns. We then move to behavioral biometrics, simulating human versus bot interactions using mouse speed, smoothness, and typing delay. The bar chart shows which features matter most for detecting automation. The AI trading bot performs backtesting with moving average crossovers, automatically buying and selling based on signal trends, and prints the simulated portfolio value. Finally, the dynamic trust seal securely signs each trade with a rolling cryptographic key. All these modules combine into Trade Sentinel, a unified framework for secure, explainable, and automated fraud detection. Thank you.